just gonna stay up. Remember last year, I told them the price, and now they all wanna pay up. They hit me now, they coming too late. All I reply is to save up. Me and my guys, we did it ourselves, so no one can say that they made us. They gave me the shit, they trying to guard me. I told them you gotta go straight up. We eating for days, I've been in the gym. I swear that I'm getting my weight up, yeah. Oh, I seen it all, you avert. Hop up in a whip, watch it skirt. I'ma risk it all for you first. Meet me in the night, shit get worse. I told them all I'm getting it back. I said that I'm coming, I'm in it. I'm writing my name all in a stone. I swear that it's getting cemented. I seen the stones, I heard them on top, but I never know who done said it. Go to the bank, withdraw the cash, and I told them my brothers to bet it. All on myself, ayy. I told them we getting it back. Remember the days when we was in school, they would just sit back and laugh. I'm thanking God for all of those times, cause now I know what I have. I'm on the track and I feel like a step, and I'm turning it up to the max, yeah. Oh, I seen it all, you over.